A guided meditation. Would you like to be more confident around women, have less anxiety, less nervousness? Would you like to get into a flow when you're talking to women without running out of things to say? Would you like to find, attract, and keep the right girlfriend or wife easily and effortlessly? This guided meditation here today will really help you. What I would encourage you to do is to open your mind to this experience. It can be very, very powerful. If you're driving, obviously, please don't. But if you're ready, let's go ahead and maybe have a beautiful experience. Doing this on a regular basis will have a massively positive impact on your dating and your relationship results. Okay, get seated. Sit comfortably in whichever position. If you want to lean back a little bit, you can lean back. You can put the left hand into the right hand. Have a little bit of uprightness in your posture. Just sit comfortably for however many minutes. You can see how long this video is. I don't know yet. Whenever you're ready, just gently close your eyes and take one deep breath in. And exhale slowly over 10 seconds. One more time. Exhale full. Inhale fully. And exhale slowly over 10 seconds. And with your eyes closed, allow your body to be steady and still. And just gently place your attention on your breath. Just feel it. Don't try to control your breath. Just focus on it. Where do you feel it? In the back of your throat, your nostrils, maybe you can feel your belly moving. Just try to find your breath and anchor your focus, your awareness on your breath. As long as you breathe, you're alive. And the beauty is your body breathes itself even when you're asleep. When you pay no attention, you don't have to try to control it. Just feel it. And now you might realize that there are thoughts or emotions that are present. Meditating does not mean, by the way, keep your eyes closed. Meditating does not mean not thinking. It doesn't mean not feeling anything. It just means allowing anything that comes up to arise in the space of loving awareness. Because as you keep focus on your breath and you hear my voice, you can recognize that anything in life is truly just a thought or a sensation arising in awareness. The sound you hear right now, the feeling of your legs on the chair, on the surface, your breath, the thoughts that may distract you from the breath. They just show up in awareness. So feel the breath. Maybe there's already a little bit of a sensation of peace and quiet and steadiness and calmness. Just pay attention to the breath for a moment. Meditation quiets the mind, it opens the heart, and you return back to yourself. And now, as you're focusing on your breath, you might realize that there are thoughts that are distracting you. Again, meditation does not mean not having thoughts, but it means the second you recognize you're lost in thought, you gently pull your attention back to the breath. That's actually what meditation is. Being aware and coming back to your breath when lost in thought. So, as you may have gotten lost in thought, return back to the breath for a moment and just feel it. And feel the peace that comes with it. And whatever shows itself, excitement, joy, stress, tension, love, sadness, anger, fear, happiness, allow it all to arise in the space of loving awareness. Because that's your true nature. Everything just shows itself in the space of loving awareness. Nothing to do. No problems to solve. Just you. Right here. Right now. Present with your breath. Gives you life. And if you're lost in thoughts, recognize, the critical mind, the planning mind. Thank you for your opinion. I'm okay right now. And gently bring your attention back to the breath. And see yourself as awareness, loving awareness. And everything just arises in that awareness. And it comes and goes, and you realize that you have no problems, because problems are just a construct of the mind. Right here, right now, there are no problems. There may be things you need to do in half an hour, tomorrow. But the future is mere imagination. The past is a memory. They're just thoughts and sensations arising right here, right now. And that's actually freeing because this moment is all you ever have. And yet we spend most of our lives trying to escape that very reality. This moment, that's all you ever have. Gently place your attention back to the breath. And whatever shows itself, it's okay. Feel it and understand that it comes and it goes. Emotions and experiences, they come and go in waves. And you can just watch them. Don't attach. Just watch. Pay attention. Just allow it to arise in the space of loving awareness. And gently return back to your breath. And understand that while you're doing this, there are very powerful, scientifically proven processes activated in your brain right now. Allow whatever wants to show itself to show itself. Maybe it's a restlessness, tension, stress. Maybe it's joy or peace. No one has ever died of restlessness. Whatever emotion you feel, enjoyable or maybe a little bit uncomfortable, they all come and go. And you can just sit with it as the one who knows, the witness, loving awareness, right here, right now. Return back to your breath. And give yourself this gift of loving presence. You are complete. You are enough. Right here, right now. No need to change anything. And that doesn't mean that you can't have goals or aspirations or desires. They're part of the human experience. But what would it feel like right now if you had arrived? No more striving for a moment. just being here, having finally arrived with the attention on your breath. And whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in and open your eyes. Well done.